in order to use ZipGrade, you need the app. Open the app. It'll ask you to sign in the first time, but after that, you'll be signed in. You can then select the quiz that you want to scan. So I'm going to scan the second 9 weeks exam. And as you can see, I already have students with scores, but I'm going to go ahead and scan the paper. It will ask to access the camera. You say OK. And then you just put your 4 corners into the corners. And it will scan the paper, and it will tell you what the score is. And it will continue to scan and continue to scan until you move the iPad away from the paper. But obviously, this is my paper. I just took a student's number and put it in. And as you can see, I Christmas treed the paper. But if I wanted to look at it and review it, it saves a copy of the picture of the paper. So that way you can give the paper back to the student if you'd like, or file it away, but you still have it here so that you can review, and you can see that if the student perhaps erased something or changed something, you can correct it. You can also see the questions and what the student responded and if they got it right or wrong. After you've scanned your test, if you need to edit the key, you can click on Edit Key and you can change any of the answers. And if you do that, it will automatically regrade all of the papers with that answer. You can also review papers. So if I wanted to look at a student's paper and see what their answers were, I can look at that. I can flip through and see other students as well to double check and see if it had scanned it incorrectly, which is rare, or show the students what they missed. Also, you can look at the item analysis. So you can see for question 1, for instance, 77% of the students got that right. But for number 11, only half of the students got that right. So in a quick nutshell, it gives you information that can help you analyze your tests, your exams, and whatever you're giving your students.